So pleased, our yard went from this to this with the help of these. 16 bundles, UV resistant, artificial morning glories. They look realistic in person, but could not be easier to use. I simply got them, unfluffed them, and shoved them in the ground, spacing them just like you would any traditional flower, but they have all the benefits. They don't die, they don't fade, sun exposure, you don't have to water them, you don't have to maintain them. I'm using them in a transition period between winter and spring where it's not quite warm enough to plant yet, but I really do want the beauty and the look, and so pleased with the amount that come in this package because I could really expand it, filling in my flower beds, my pots, my planters. Some of my favorite things, they have a lot of movement when the wind blows or the wind, you do see that. There is color variegation in the leaves, which gives it a little bit more of an authentic, realistic look to me. I love that I can group them like I would a traditional flower. Once in the ground in the pot, they measured about 10 inches tall by about 11 inches wide for me. So love that I was able to take the tightly compacted flower and really spread them out. And with 16 bundles, you could fill in a massive pot or two, or like me, you have enough to fill in both flower beds and 4 sets of pots, integrating with other existing flowers to make it look more realistic. Overall, I'd say lush, full, realistic color, weather resistant. They give that polished, decorative look, beauty year round, minimal effort. If you're on the fence with these, I'm really happy with the results. And if this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.